Hello students, let's try to understand a problem students. The quite good problem. What this problem is all about student. Let's try to understand. Question number 4.30. This is of NCERT book. They are saying the rate of reaction quadruple when the temperature changes from 293 Kelvin to 313 Kelvin. Calculate the activation energy of the reactions assuming that it does not change with temperature. Dear students, what is there? This is based on the arhenius equations. So arhenius equation said temperature increases students, so that is rate constant also going to increase. Now if here suppose student 293 Kelvin is there, right, and so 293 Kelvin, so there the rate constant is, suppose it is having K1. Now it is changes to 313 student, 313. So what will be there here student? They are saying quadruples the rate of reaction, quadruple 4 times when temperature change from 293 to 313. So it will become 4 times of what student? K1, 4 times of K1. So this information is given student. Now what they are asking, calculate the activation energy student. So how can you do this problem student? So to proceed this one student, we are going to according to arhenius equation student. Which equation student? Arhenius equation. So if you are going to arhenius equation student, so what is the arhenius equation student? Okay, so arhenius equation when you are writing student, so it is log, it is what is K2 upon K1. This is equal to what is there student? This is the activation energy divided by 2.303. This is R student, and here in the bracket it is there student, what is going to be T2 minus T1 and divided by T1 T2 student, T1 T2. So this is all about the that is what the expression. Now let's plug out the value student. So here I am putting the log K2 value. How much is there student? K2. So it means here T2 is equal to this. So and this is the T1 student at the T1. So here is this value K1 is equal to K1 only, and here is K2 is equal to, it is going to be 4K1. So we are writing here student 4K1 divided by what is K1 value. K1 value is what student? That is K1 as it is. Now equal to what is there student? Dear student, EA upon what? 2.303 student multiply by R value, it is going to 8.314. Now in the bracket what we are going to do student? T2. So temperature how much is there student? 313 friend, 313 minus 293, and if you are dividing these two values student, how much you are going to the same value 313 multiply by 293. Now let us see student, 4K1 and K1 it is going to be out student. So log 4 it is coming student, it is now resulting is equal to, this is log 4 student, so equal to, it is going to be what student? This is the EA upon 2.303 student into, it is what student? Here you see into 8.314. okay, in the bracket how much if you are subtracting student? This is the 3 minus 3 0, and here is the 11 minus 9, so this is going to be student 20. So 20 by 313 multiply by 293. These are the values we are getting student, right? Now let us scroll down the little bit screen student and then try to find out the values. Okay, sorry it gone little more. So dear student, log 4 value how much is there? So here is, it is 0.6021 student. This is log 4 value. Now put out the value student. This is EA upon 2.303 friend into 8.314. Here is multiply by what student? 20. divided by it is 313 multiplied by 293. Now they are asking the activation energy, student, activation. So EA is equal to what will coming, student, 0.6021, then it is 2.303 friend, and then 8 point, here the decimal is there, here this is the decimal if you don't mind, 8.314 multiplied by 313 multiply by 293. Just we are doing the class multiply and nothing else, just we cross multiply these things, so we are getting here, divided by it is going to come, student, that is 20. Now let us see the calculation. If you see, student, so how much it is going to come, the numerator part here, friend, it is coming something 1057266, this much is coming, student, and this we are dividing by 20, student, 20. So how much it is going to come, student, it is 52863, student, 863 joule per mole. Now if you want to convert into kilojoule, student, so you have to divide by 1000. So 52.863, student, this is what, friend, kilojoule per mole, right, student? So this is all about the answer, dear student. I hope this video is going to help you. So nothing you have to do, friend, just you need to read the questions properly. So once you are able to read the question, student, okay, so what we can do, student, after reading the questions, just see the how can you correlate the information. So temperature T1 is there, so rate constant is K1. Temperature T2 is there, student, so rate constant K2, but it is becoming the quadruple of the K1, student. So 4 times of K1. So according to arhenius equation, what is their log, K2 by K1, EA upon 2.303 R, T2 minus T1 upon T1 T2. Now we are plugging the value, student. So once you plug out the value, student, so you will be able to get the answer here. So thank you so much for watching, friends.